First you import the image you want at the beginning into CapCut and export it again. Then you create a new project again. You import the created video and 6 more images. Drag the video at the beginning to a length of 4.0 seconds. So you might have to adjust the speed a little bit. Go to animation, then combo, and select zoom 1 over the entire length of 4.0 seconds. Then scale all the images to make sure they are in the right format. The important thing now is to apply the effect before we adjust the length. Click on the image and select style. Go to motion and select 3D zoom. Repeat this step for all the other images. For the cool intermediate effect we click on effect, then video effect and select halo blur. We trim the effect and position it exactly in the transition phase between 2 images. Repeat this for all the other pictures as well. Fit the images to the following lengths. Clip 2 and 3 1 second each, clip 4, 5 and 6 0.5 seconds each, and clip 7 0.6 seconds.
Just hit a button, Morty, give me a beat!
Oh man, okay, alright,